Know me. What? Hold on there. Video R. You say you think it was a what?
Yeah.
You see it on internet and thought I was a scam? Look at the man. You know the man? Look one. Let me take a man. Me are the blacks and... No, hold the mic. And we're going to talk about that. Did you click to follow? What you call only for followers?
I click up on the Explore page.
On the which page?
The Explore page.
Okay, cool.
I think I did something.
Oh, that's very see. Well, check us out on Instagram. No man, go on Instagram. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. We are What? Should I take out the phone? I want to put some. Because of Christmas, you're afraid?
Yes, people are thief.
Anyway, we're telling we're still here to tell you Merry Christmas. She's checking us out right now on Instagram.
Yes, sometimes I see them come here, come up.
Yeah.
Normally would have blocked them,
Oh, you blocked them?
Yeah.
See how she stayed though. She just block. She just block anything she don't know. Yeah man, you should. But anyway, I am going to sing a song because it's Christmas and I want you to help me finish the song. No, make me hold on for you because you're not get ready this evening. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a
one-horse open sleigh.
No, you know, so everybody go to school, everybody know the song, except me. Because when I was going primary school, we say, on a what? Whole heap of different things we used to say. And what them say about Santa now? You don't know. Anyway, you want to big up anybody a friend?
Auntie,
yeah.
Live, my uncle Rai.
So where auntie and uncle live? Which part of friend in there?
I think it's New York.
New York. Oh, great stuff.
New Jersey.
Guess what you need to do? Sign up for a shipping account and tell them they can send things to you. Give them your overseas shipping address. Alright? And we are not fake. Look for me. Me real.
Never go back.
Anyway, happy holidays. Alright? Big up yourself. Yeah man, good. There you have it. We are real. Real as it can get.